Historic Secundrabad Gymkhana Club gutted in fire. A fire incident took place in the wee hours of Sunday morning at the Secunderabad Gymkhana Club in Hyderabad. Around 6 teams of fire department and 1 army fire team have reached the spot and doused the fire. The fire department brought the fire under control by 6 a.m. in the morning. The main building is fully burnt. A complaint has been filed by the president, Raghuram Reddy, and around 25 crores of damage was reported. No casualties reported and the case is currently under investigation.